We all love the look of long, glamorous eyelashes, but who wants to spend hours in the salon? Now, last year, Instant Lash came to the rescue with the world's first brush-on lash extensions, and now Sonia Amoroso is here to tell us there is something even better. Welcome, Sonia.
Hi, Yvette. Well, it's hard to believe that anything could give you more dramatic eyelashes than Instant Lash brush-on lash extensions. They've been a sales sensation and even won the prestigious Gloskers Award for Best Lashes. But now there's a brand new formula that not only gives you instant lash extensions, now it also thickens your lashes and, believe it or not, makes lashes even longer.
Longer than the 4 to 8 millimetres in length you get with Instant Lash?
Absolutely. Instant Lash Extreme Tube Extensions takes the Instant Lash technology to the next level with not one but 3 technologies. The first is original Instant Lash extension technology, where tiny nylon hairs attach to the tips of your lashes as you brush the formula on. That's what creates that 4 to 8 millimetre lash extension. Then we've added fat lash fibre technology, where thickening fibres attach themselves up and down the shaft of each lash. And finally, our exclusive extended tube technology forms a tube film around your lash extensions, around your thickening fibres, locking it all in place in a gorgeous black glossy tube, which also further increases length and thickness.
And then we place a mascara over the top to seal it all in?
No, that's the amazing thing about this new formula. The tube technology locks your lash extensions in. Now, this forms a flake-proof, smudge-proof seal, which is even water-resistant. We call them 24-hour lash extensions, but they can actually last for days if you want them to. You can sleep in it, you can cry in it, you can even swim in it. You don't have to worry about your lash extensions falling out until you want them to come out. Then you simply use warm water to remove. The tubes come off in your hand.
Well, I can't wait to look at the results we can achieve with Instant Lash Extreme.
Well, Yvette, I'm going to show you how easy it is right here live, so you know there's no false lashes used, no retouching, no extensions. Now, I'm just going to take Instant Lash and apply it as I would a normal mascara. But as you can see, no normal mascara would be able to do this.
Wow, I can see the extensions attaching as you brush.
I know, it's just incredible. I can start with the tips of the lashes and keep building up the length by attaching more extensions with each pass. Then I run it all the way along the shaft to get that thickening effect, and voila, Instant Lash extensions I've done in just a few seconds.
I can't get over the difference. Can we keep that zoom in? And Sonia, could you possibly just move your head in different directions? I want everyone at home to be able to see what I'm seeing here. Look at that. And can you lift your head backwards? Look at that. Incredible. And you did it in just seconds.
I know. I didn't have to go to the salon at all. It's incredible.
And we've also got a gorgeous girl here in the studio that is dying to try Instant Lash Extreme.
Yes, Jess is also going to try Instant Lash Live. So again, you can see how easy it is. It's as easy as applying a mascara. Now, as she applies it to the tips of the lashes, the tiny nylon hairs are attaching themselves, creating that seamless lash extension that Jess can build up to create even greater lengths by reapplying over the top. Then she runs the wand through the length of the lashes from the base to thicken the lashes, and as she does so, that tube technology is forming a tube around the extensions, around the fat fibres, sealing it all in place and creating that further thickness and length.
Look at that difference. Jess, can you turn your head to the side and now look backwards? Wow, beautiful.
Sleep in it, swim in it, no matter what you do, it's not going to budge until you physically rub it away with warm water. And you don't need soap or makeup remover.
That's incredible. Lash extensions that you can brush on in seconds, and now you don't even need to put on a top coat. Plus, it's water resistant. I'm going to be stocking up for summer.
Well, Yvette, you're going to want to stock up with the deal I'm about to offer. Now, we know salon extensions can set you back hundreds of dollars, but Instant Lash Extreme is only going to cost you the same low $59 plus $9.95 postage and handling. Plus, purchase today and you'll also receive original Instant Lash in this gorgeous green colour worth $59. Plus, Lash Curl heated eyelash curler worth $24.95 absolutely free. That's $143 worth of product for only $59.
Thanks so much for coming in. The number's 1-800-662686.